Very important. Do not scan your WhatsApp QR code in others' computer. Do not scan your WhatsApp QR code in other third-party private hackers' website, because you know that WhatsApp is end-to-end encryption. That means only you and receiver have access to the chat. Even WhatsApp company do not have access to your WhatsApp chat. This is for your safety. Suppose I am scanning my WhatsApp QR code in your computer, then you can see my personal chats. You can download my videos. You can download my photos. Then just think, if you are scanning QR code in these hackers website, what will happen? They can do anything. So don't be cheated by these hackers. You have two options. One option, you can go for original paid WhatsApp. You can see the picture. This is original WhatsApp. In India, only corporates are using. For example, Book My Show, Make My Trip, Bajaj. Only these big corporates can afford that cost. If you have this budget, then you can buy original WhatsApp from us. Because of this, many hackers started saying that we are selling bulk API. You can just search in YouTube or Google, Tally bulk WhatsApp. You can see many sellers. They are charging monthly, yearly, quarterly basis. I think 5,000, 25,000. Customers are paying to them. And what they are doing? They are scanning the WhatsApp QR code in their website. Where you have to scan? You have to scan in your computer, not others' website. Even that WhatsApp is an end-to-end encryption. That is also hacked by them. Then they can do anything. Understood? You are all educated. Don't be cheated by these hackers. If you have budget, you can go for original WhatsApp. I told you, in India, only corporates are using, because they can only invest this much amount. And for those who are looking for safety, privacy, looking for security, then you can go for free WhatsApp. In this solution, we also made additional security for the safety of business owners. For example, you are a business owner, you are scanning your QR code in Office Diary and your staff is using your computer. Then normally you can see, if they type web WhatsApp, your WhatsApp account will be opening. They can see your chats, they can download your photos, videos, etc. So there is no any safety and privacy for business owners. So in our solutions, even staff try to open web WhatsApp, it will not open your account. This is the security. So you can safely use this solution. You can send complete ID, complete reports, complete voucher prints, and both PDF attachment, without PDF attachment, only message, everything is available. In this solution, we are using WhatsApp free. That means we are depending WhatsApp company. WhatsApp company, they keep updating their products. They improve their products. They add security, more security to stop these hackers. So you need our live support. Because of that, we are charging this yearly, including unlimited live support. In this product, we also made an option and it will automatically download the latest files. We keep updating this programming in our server and you can able to download it safely. So I am not explaining more. I believe I given you 100% clarity about WhatsApp, original WhatsApp, free WhatsApp, and hackers WhatsApp. Which you are going with is your choice. Now I am switching the screen to my laptop. I will show you how this add-on is working, which are the features, and all details about this product. Continue watching full video, then only you can understand. If you want to buy this add-on, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp link is available in this video description, also in my YouTube channel. If you're a Tally partner or chartered accountant, GST consultant, you wish to have additional income from the market, okay, then you can contact us. This product also you can sell like your own product. If you wish to receive updations about new technologies solutions, you can subscribe at my channel, click on the bell button. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.